Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Marina here and I'm sharing with you today some goodies Kokorosa Studio sent me to show you. Well, for all of you who would love to make an order from Kokorosa Studio, I will give you a 25% off coupon code, which is L26681, and that means that in your purchase you will have a 25% discount using this code. Also, you will find all these dies and the scrapbook paper pack linked down below in the description area. So please be sure to check them out. The first die is a lace border and is perfect for using it on your mini albums as well. I made a beautiful wedding card using this die, sorry for the focus guys, and I used my tattered rose distressing to create a smooth background to my card. Next one is this adorable and really so gorgeous die in a fence shape with beautiful details all around. And here as well I made another wedding card using this stunning die. The doors here open like this, and really how interactive is this metal cutting die. I really loved it. Last die that I am going to show you is this irregular hollow brick wall, just so perfect and useful for a lot of projects. It gives such an interest on where you'd like to use it. And here as well I made a birthday card with a butterfly, and to make this wall more visible I used a combination of distress inks in Victorian velvet and old paper shades. So these were the metal cutting dies, and for sure Kokorosa Studio has a huge amount of cutting dies. So if you love card making, check out the shop. Here we have this 12 by 12 wedding paper pack with 24 pattern papers, die cut sheets including alphabets, borders, tags and icons. Let's go ahead to see what's inside. Okay, when we open it, this first sheet has a lot of alphabets and they are die cuts, so this makes your life easier to cut them out. Oh my god, here these die cuts are stunning, so easy to remove them and put them in any card on any other project. This gold detail on them is amazing. Can't wait to make a wedding mini album. This is the last sheet with tags and die cuts as well. Hopefully you can see that it has two sheets of a single-sided pattern. Here this damask background is perfect for wedding projects. This sheet has a beautiful white lace, so detailed I could say. On these sheets we have a grey and white background. Each sheet has a different texture. Some sheets are more heavyweight. These ones have a silky, a kind of a shiny texture, I guess. I don't know if you can understand what I mean. But anyway, I really love this mix of textures. I think that this is an interesting touch to any project. Look how shiny and bright is this one. A beautiful gold detail up there. At this point, I'd like to remind you that using this code I gave you on your purchase, you will have a 25% off discount on your order. This is a really great chance for you, so don't miss it. That was for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!